Ash on the radio, mothers counting names. Children learn to hide when the sirens scream. City lights flicker, windows made of stone. We trade our futures for a faded throne. Smoke paints the skyline, promises betrayed. History repeats like a game we played. Man signed their name with a cold dark pen, then march back out smiling, let it begin. Can't see eye to eye, gonna fight till we die with the bombs from the sky now. Blood out, blood in, history shows it'll never end now. Kill yours, kill mine, and we just keep going till the end of time now. Till the earth is stained with blood and pain, no life remains. I saw my neighbor pack a bag and gun. Said the papers told him nowhere to run. Preachers on the corner preaching his lies. Politicians hide while the young men die. The soil cries rust, rivers taste like lead. We plant our graves and sleep in our beds. The kids still laugh, same as before, but it echoes off a broken door. We light the match, we learn to feed the flame. Grace we lost, somebody's to blame. Hold your breath, feel the fever crawl. Are we gonna run or answer the call? Can't see eye to eye, gonna fight till we die with the bombs from the sky now. Blood out, blood in, history shows it'll never end now. Kill yours, kill mine, and we just keep going till the end of time now. Till the earth is stained with blood and pain, no life remains. Silence after thunder, song of the dead. Names on monuments written in red. If we raise another flag, will it save our souls or just leave the dead?